Hi, I'm Luke North with WJ Titan, and you are in the lab. Today, we're going to briefly discuss when it is appropriate to use what measuring tool. Some of them, like CMMs and vision systems, you can get down to submicrons. Some of the ones we have here are around a micron. Some tools are over a thou in tolerance. You don't really want to use those for actual measurement. It's more of a sanity check to make sure what you're seeing on your CMM vision system is correct. So something like these calipers and mics, they're great if you're finding a diameter on your CMM is way out of tolerance. You can just make sure that you're getting close to that with the mics. Now we get these calibrated on a regular basis. We do monthly cross checks, but these are still just kind of a sanity check for us. This is not something we're normally going to put on a report unless a customer asks us to. A lot of people like to rely heavily on comparators for measurement, and comparators are great for many things. We normally only use them if a customer asks us to do overlay to check a part, but other than that, again, it's just kind of a sanity check. We don't like to rely on those just because the tolerances aren't tight enough. If you're a little unsure about what tools to use for what you're inspecting, if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to reach out, because as always, we are always in the lab. And I'm Luke North. Did I already say that? Did I introduce myself already? Oh well.